You've probably heard of licorice, maybe even had it. But have you heard of licorice root? The root or the plant in which licorice gets its name. Today we are talking 8 benefits of licorice root. Licorice root is derived from the Glycyrrhiza glabra plant, and it's been used for centuries for its numerous health benefits. First of all, licorice root can aid in digestive health. It helps alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. It has flavonoids and compounds such as glycerin. I really don't know how to pronounce it. But anyways, they have a soothing and anti-inflammatory effect on the digestive tract. It can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, heartburn, ulcers, and gastritis. Number 2, licorice root provides cough and sore throat relief. Licorice root has demulcitive and expectorant properties, making it beneficial for the respiratory system. Licorice root extract can help soothe a sore throat, reduce coughing, and reduces respiratory congestion by thinning mucus and promoting expectoration. Number 3, licorice root has an anti-inflammatory effect. Licorice root contains glycyrrhizin, a compound that has potent anti-inflammatory effects. It can reduce inflammation throughout the body, alleviating symptoms of arthritis, asthma, and allergies. It also helps reduce inflammation in the skin, promoting faster wound healing. Number 4, licorice root is an immune support. Licorice root has immunomodulatory effects that supports the immune system and protects against infections. Licorice root extracts have been found to have antimicrobial properties, so antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and it can help strengthen the body's immune response against pathogens, and can also help reduce the severity of colds and flus. Number 5, it can help balance the hormones. Licorice root contains compounds called phytoestrogens, which have an estrogen-like effect on the body. Licorice root has been found to regulate hormonal balance. Licorice root may have a hormonal balancing effect, especially in women undergoing menopause or menstrual irregularities. It's also been found to be effective in alleviating symptoms of PMS and dysmenorrhea. Number 6, stress reduction. Licorice root has adaptogenic properties that can help the body deal with stress and promotes overall emotional well-being. Licorice root extracts have been found to help regulate cortisol levels, reduce stress-related symptoms, and improve resistance to stressors. Number 7, licorice root supports a healthy liver. Licorice root has hepatoprotective properties that support liver health and protect against liver damage. Licorice root extracts have been found to improve liver function, reduce liver enzymes, and prevent liver injuries caused by damage from toxins, alcohol, and diseases like hepatitis. And finally, number 8, licorice root can be used for skin and hair care. Licorice root prevents hyperpigmentation in the skin, lightens dark spots, reduces acne scars, and soothes irritated and dry skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. It can also be used to help soften hair and make it more voluptuous. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you next one.